Hello Newtonians. Welcome to the Required Skills for Mechanical Design Engineers video series. In this series, we're zeroing in on 8 key skills every mechanical design engineer needs to excel. Dive into individual videos for focused insights, or watch our all-in-one video for the full rundown. The skills listed here are based on my opinion and experience. Technical skills. On your job, you will use different software and tools that will make you faster and more efficient. At least, that is their purpose. But there is a downside to it. If you do not take the time to learn how to properly use software and tools, they could make you slower and more prone to error. Therefore, technical skills are fundamental skills you need to learn. For example, writing on your keyboard with your 10 fingers without looking at it. If you do not know how to write without looking at the keyboard, your fingers cannot follow your brain, you are inefficient and slow. To learn to type with 10 fingers, you can find free websites that will help you elevate your typing skills to a new level. This goes for all the software you use: email, CAD software, simulations, ERP, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, cloud, search engines, etc. Investing time in developing your technical skills will give back great dividends. There are many different ways to get proficient in using different software. The first thing that I would recommend is, of course, YouTube and Google. You can find everything from the whole software course to solutions to specific problems. Write in the search bar the issue that you are trying to resolve. For example, how to knit surface in software ABC. If you are using new software, ask your manager to provide the resources for the training/course that will help you become proficient in using that software. These training/courses could come directly from different companies or websites like Udemy. Learn how to standardize your work in the software you use most. A well-predefined template is your good friend. Do you have any questions for us? Let us know in the comments below. Do you like our videos? Then, give us a thumb up, comment, and share it with your friends, colleagues, and on your social media channels. And if you want to become a part of the Newtonians, make sure to subscribe to our channel.